If there is something I'm going to call the most important part in this quick profit multiplier video training series, is this part we're about to learn. Okay, is what you're about to learn rather, and we're going to be talking about backlinks. Okay, backlinks and how to rank your website to Google. Because so far we found the product for you. Okay, we've set up your website. I've told you how to write a review that ranks. Okay, the keyword density, and all-in-one SEO. Alright, and I've told you a little bit about on-page factors. Now I want to talk about backlinks. And remember, I said you need to be an SEO expert. This is because these stuffs are so easy to rank. And our example keyword is superior singing method. I want to show you something. I'm going to go to Majestic SEO. Let's check out these websites here. Let's see. Alright, check out this website is ranking page 1, number 2 here for this keyword. Alright, superior singing method, another example keyword. And you can see that this website here that is ranking number 2 here has just 47 backlinks. Can you see? 47 backlinks, my friend. What does that tell you? Because of these are product reviews, they are so easy to rank, right? And it's using just one keyword: superior singing method. Very easy to rank, right? 33% anchor rates. Actually risky, but just see that 47, my friend. Okay, 47. Very easy to rank. Let's see. Can't remember the other keywords. Something easy would have been, I don't know, Venus factor. Let's see how many backlinks this has. Might be a little bit high. I've not done this before. Okay, I'm not doing it right now. Maybe a little bit high because that keyword is yeah, it should be, I suspected that much. This is because this term is actually a little bit high to rank. So we're going after easy keywords anyway, so we don't care. So let's check out. Okay, I remember we used Penny's advantage, right? So let's check that out and see. Let's see. Let's check this out and see how many backlinks it has. Okay. Oops. Alright, sorry, but my point is that these stuffs are so easy to rank. Okay, they're so easy to rank, my friend. So easy to rank, and you can start ranking for them as soon as possible. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build backlinks that works. Alright, I want you how to build backlinks that works. Alright, I don't know what's wrong with my Google keyword, showing some errors. So I'm going to show you how to build backlinks that works. So I'm going to open up my notepad, and let's say I want to rank for this term. Okay, what we're going to do right now is going to put it here. The two keywords we want to rank for is the superior singing method and superior singing method review, right? Alright, but if we throw links to just these two keywords, it's going to be risky. Alright, it's going to be risky. So we're going to go to the keyword planner tool, then we're going to put the other related keywords. Okay, I'm going to show you something very interesting here, so just follow me. Other related keywords, I can guess it will be something like maybe download. Okay, if it's a PDF, a book. Okay, let's just do that search here and see what happens. Now don't forget, with just 47 backlinks, this guy was able to rank here. Okay, so you don't need a lot of backlinks. All right, but I just want to show you how to secure your backlinks. So all right, so I'm just going to put all these keywords here. Sorry, That's the disadvantage of doing something live. Okay, but it's all good. What do we have here? We have free, we have scam, okay, we have download. Then I might put maybe voice lessons, voice training. Okay, all right. So you can just put some related keywords there. So what you want to do right now, you're going to go over to Fiverr. Then you're going to buy some Web 2.0 links. All right, some Web 2.0, some PDF links. Okay, you're going to throw all those links to all your keyword. Now I'm sure you're wondering why. I'm going to explain why that is important, but let's just go to Fiverr and just see what we can do here. Okay, this guy says he will do 30-day SEO for you. Now of course, you know, Fiverr links I don't have the best of quality, but we don't care, and there's a reason for that, and I'm going to share that with you. But for now, I just want you to just pay attention. Let's say some Senuki. Okay, this guy will do a 1 month SEO for you. He's going to throw 500 high PR, 100 Web 2.0, 30 Web 2.0 profile, 200 article submission, 200 high PR blog comments, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is $5. So I buy this. Let's see. Okay, we might just come here, we might just pick this. Okay, we might pick this also. Okay, 600 Senuki links. Okay, 600 Senuki links. Okay, so 600 Senuki links, I think. Okay, so we're going to buy these ones. We might buy these ones also, or I might just buy 2 of them. So that's about $10. Now what are you going to do? You're going to throw these links to all these keywords here. Why? Because you want to diversify your anchor text. Okay, so you're going to throw all these links. Now we know they are not of the highest quality, we know that. Okay, but we're still going to buy them $10 when we're going to throw all of them here. Okay, so as many keywords as possible. We want to diversify our anchor text. Okay, we want to diversify our anchor text. So you do that. You know, just imagine you can throw up to 10 keywords here. Okay, across all of this. Low quality, we don't care. We're not ranking for this term really. We're going to throw links for this term so that our anchor text ratio will be diversified, properly diversified. Okay, so once we've done that, now we're going to go to the main one. We're going to buy high PR links. Okay, we're going to throw our high PR links to these ones. Do you get the logic now? If we throw only our high PR links to this keyword, when does Google release an update like over optimization or Google Penguin, your website will be hit. Okay, because you over optimize it. All right, your website will be hit. So that's the reason we are buying other links to our relevant and closely related keywords. Do you understand? So we throw them here, but we're going to buy our high PR link service, and we're going to throw them only to these ones. Now there are many ways to go about this. You can build your own private blog network. Okay, or you can go out there and buy, and of course they are a little bit on the high side. But before we talk about the price, here you're going to throw high PR links to these ones. Okay, you're going to throw high PR links to these one, and you don't need to go very far. You can just throw 20 PR3 links to this term and this term. Okay, so maybe 10 PR3 to this, 10 PR3 to this, and I'm sure it's going to take you to page 1, my friend. You can see 47 links. This guy has just 47 links. Okay, it's on page 1. Okay, it's on page 1, number 1, and you are even doing more than that, so you definitely outrank him. It's that simple. Are you seeing? It's that simple. And of course, once you rank, remember, you, as long as you remain ranked, your links are built for you, you remain ranked, you keep making money every single day. It's that simple, my friend. Okay, you don't need to sweat it. It's a quick income multiplier. You can use it and make a lot of money. I'm telling you, you can just go out there to Clickbank and start ranking product after product, Go out there to sell health. You see there are a lot of products here and they pay good. Some pay $39 commission, $41, $25. And interestingly, most people don't even know about these websites. They don't know about these merchant sites, but meanwhile they pay very well and they make a lot of money too. Okay. If you go to more niche, you can see here, you can see that in the last few years, Monich has paid over $35 million, right, in affiliate earning in the last few years alone. And how many products do they have? Very few products. Okay, compared to Clickbank that has thousands of products. See, they have just 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just 16 products. Yet in the last few years, okay, since 2002, they've paid over $35 million. What does that tell you? People are making a lot of money from this. All right. Okay, so you can go with this, you can go with market health, you build your site, you buy your backlinks, and then you send it. You're going to rank. There is no way around this. You're going to rank. All right, you're going to rank. All right, I hope you're enjoying this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you some very simple ways you can use to make even more money from your website. So see you in the next video.